Howdy, neighbors. Some of you might notice, but I'm not gonna say that all of you will. But there's no cattails in there. And I have one guy to thank for that. And at the same time, I'm also smelling bacon. And apparently there's an artichoke that is also getting steamed over there in this outdoor kitchen that this guy set up. And look at that.
Pretty.
Beautiful. Mr. Wandering Jimmy is chefing out on my west porch. Oh. And then there's that guy. Dun, 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 dun. Mr. Ross has been cleaning up both the outside and the inside. And all I did was just about, 45 minutes, half an hour of mowing today.
You need a new bacon reservoir, is that what it is?
Yes.
Bacon grease.
So the view across the pond looks quite a bit different. I've still got to get over there and chop out those willow branches on that tree right there, or stump, I should say. And then you get quite the view of the garden.
Well, I could do that right. Stink is now.
Oh, uh-oh.
The live action shot. Here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm not even gonna wear my safety glasses.
No?
This is how it is, folks. Watch out for snakes. Oh, I should have worn
Timber. No hard hat. Holy smokes.
Look up the lilies.
Oh, again. There we go. Careful with the lilies.
There you go. Look at that. Holy. That quickly, you can see a whole bunch more. Thank you, Mr. Ross. Rossi Poo. For anybody who's wondering, that's Mr. Rossi Poo. He has a YouTube channel. He's a heck of a worker. And he knows about gardens. He hasn't murdered any of the plants I didn't want dead. And our chef over here, I'm sure quite a few of you know, is Mr. Wandering Jimmy. Howdy, neighbor. All right. This is probably going to be tomorrow's video. I'm too lazy to do anymore. Thanks, Ross.